So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Samsung launcher in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So guys, for this all you guys have to do, just go to Play Store and then search for Galaxy S24 style launcher. So just click on this and then open this application. Now install this application. After installation, I already installed by the way. After installation, just click on open. So as you see this type of interface open when the launchers open. So just long press here and then go to settings so that we have these settings. Now as you see we have default launcher settings. So just tap here and then click here. After that select the default home app as Galaxy Launcher and that's it. So as you see the launcher is now set. We can also manage the settings from here. We can add page, and if we're talking about system widget, we have system widget of Samsung Galaxy. We have also have wallpapers of Galaxy. So that's how we can install Galaxy Launcher in our Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.